Lipstick on my hip, I'll put it on him. I'll put it on him and I'll put it on you. Yeah, matter of fact, put it on your whole crew. Big cap like Dr. Seuss. Yeah, big make back and it float like a cruise. I be chasing them racks like Duck Duck Goose. And my diamonds be dancing just like doo-doo. I be sipping on purple, Ivan Ooze. Diddy, some surface, can't let them through. Keep them squares at your circle and stay on the move. Every day I be working my move. Yeah, working my move. I played it, yeah, I keep it so smooth. I came in this world and made my own rules. You know I'm a monster that hang with some goons. Got rich, I ain't got nothing to prove. Money on my mind when I jumped out the womb. Keep it big, not just like a cartoon. And if I'm number one, guess I'm number two. Yeah. Walk by Fayette with my pipe. I smoke with demons every night. I wake up, gamble with my life. Yeah, I pour foes up in my Sprite. $1,000 cups of ice. I'm humble, but ain't nothing nice. In Glock we trust on Jesus Christ. Yeah. In Glock we trust on God. Money hungry, I can't starve. 500 racks stuffed in my gold yard. Sipping on Walk Me in my bar. I ride my McLaren like Mario Kart. Glock, how you get it? How you get that job? You talk about my car or you talk about the ops? Best believe I'ma get it done. Keep killers on the side of me, the back and the front. Yeah, them that be around me, they ain't around for none. Yeah, brand new double R done. They ain't did what I done.